Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about part 3 of Principles of Aquaculture, notes from e-course or important points from e-course, very useful for your JRF exam as well as fishes related other competitive exam. So let's start. First of all, ideal depth for pond construction is 2 meter. It varies from 1.5 to 2 meter. Natural water in tropical areas have high production rate as due to heat budget. Then Indian major carps or IMC, Rohu, Katla, Mrigal are eurythermal species. Ponds with clay soil have high turbidity. Penetration of light determined by turbidity. Then pH of water alkaline in mid-afternoon and acidic just before daybreak. Extreme range of pH varies from 4.8 to 10.8. Alkalinity more than 50 ppm and optimum dissolved oxygen concentration is 5.5 ppm. Then coming to hardness, it varies from 15 ppm or above. Less than 5 ppm leads to slow growth or death of fishes. Optimum nitrogen concentration is 0.3 to 1.3 ppm. Phosphorus less than 0.02 ppm leads to low productivity. From 0.02 to 0.05 ppm fairly productivity. 0.05 to 0.10 leads to good productivity or high productivity. Then nitrogen is to phosphorus ratio varies from 3:1 to 6:1 according to e-course. Then coming to soil parameter, phosphorus below 3 mg per 100 gram leads to low productivity. 3 to 6 is the average and 6 to 12 mg per 100 gram leads to high productivity in case of phosphorus. Then coming to nitrogen, it is 50 to 75 mg per 100 gram favorable. Then organic carbon concentration is 1.5 to 2.5% is the optimum concentration of organic carbon. Pond soil for aquaculture should contain 35% clay. Important physical parameters include depth, temperature and turbidity. Temperature for IMC is 18 to 38 degrees Celsius. Temperature limit for cold water fishes, that is the maximum limit is 25 degrees Celsius. Then temperature limit for carp and tilapia species includes 40 degrees Celsius. Then turbidity is measured by Secchi disk. Visibility range 40 to 60 centimeter. Dissolved oxygen concentration is soluble. Its solubility is inversely proportional to temperature. Then dissolved oxygen depletion is directly dependent on organic matter and algal bloom die-off. Dissolved oxygen 5 mg per liter for warm water and 9 mg per liter for cold water fisheries. Tilapia is a hardy species and thus it can survive at a dissolved oxygen concentration as low as 1 mg per liter. pH, the optimum pH range for survival of fishes is 6.5 to 9.0. Carbon dioxide exists in three forms, that is free carbon dioxide, bicarbonate ions and carbonate ions. CO2 is toxic to fish when its concentration varies from 50 to 100 mg per liter. It causes respiratory stress. When its concentration varies from 100 to 200 mg per liter, it is fatal. Then compounds responsible to remove H2S from your ponds are water. Then by liming also you can reduce H2S, and by the use of potassium permanganate, that is KMNO4, 6.2 mg per liter. Unionized ammonia is toxic to fish, that is NH3. It's very toxic to fish in concentration of 0.02 to 0.05 mg per liter. Then alkalinity value should be 20 to 300 mg per liter. Coming to biological factors, first of all, estimation of primary productivity by the use of dark and light bottle and as well as carbon 14 techniques. Light and dark bottle method by Garden and Gran in 1930. Oxygen content is determined by Winkler's method. Fish use inorganic element to maintain osmotic balance. Carbohydrate is the cheapest and most abundant energy source. Protein in diets for harvestable fishes are 30 to 36%. Then 5 types of feed include starter feed, fry feed, fingerling feed, grow out feed and broodstock feed. Two forms of feed include dry feed and moist feed. Basic steps in the formulation of feed include grinding, mixing and pelleting. Best feed is considered whose feed conversion ratio or FCR is low. If any feed is having low FCR, it is considered as best feed. Then feed and gear are secondary source of diseases. Then coming to diseases, lysozyme from cell can kill bacteria. Blood of fish contain bactericidin. Then coming to bacterial disease, fin and tail rot, causative organism, aeromonas and pseudomonas and vibrio. Treatment is 1 minute dip treatment in 500 ppm of copper sulfate CuSO4. Then coming to ulcer disease, causative organism includes Aeromonas, Hydrophila and Pseudomonas. Treatment is dip treatment for 1 minute in 1:2000 copper sulfate for 3 to 4 days. Then dropsy, causative organism include Aeromonas, Hydrophila and Pseudomonas punctata. Treatment is 5 ppm KMNO4. Eye disease, causative organism Aeromonas liquefaciens. Treatment includes chloromycetin 8 to 10 mg per liter by the bath treatment for 1 hour. Fungal disease, first is water mold disease. It is known as saprolegniasis. Causative organism Saprolegnia parasitica. Treatment includes 1:10,000 amount of malachite green for 5 to 10 minutes. Then protozoans Ichthyoptheriasis. It is a white spot disease or also known as ick disease caused by Ichthyopterus multifilus. Treatment includes methylene blue. Boil disease caused by Myxobolus pephyri. Treatment includes salt solution 3% or 1:2500 amount of formalin. Then whirling disease, very important, caused by Myxobolus cerebelis. Then costiasis caused by Costia necatrix. Trematodes Gyrodactylus, causative organism, Gyrodactylosis, causative organism is Gyrodactylus, and dactylogyrosis, causative organism is Dactylogyrus, and treatment includes 1:5000 amount of formalin. Then diplostomiasis is causative organism is Diplostomelium species. It is also known as black spot disease. Then cestodes Ligullosis caused by Ligula species. Treatment includes use of picric acid and di and butyl tinoxide. Nematodes includes it's caused by Philometra species and Camellinus species. Acanthocephala caused by Acanthogyrus species. Treatment includes use of quicklime. Hirudonia hemiclepsis species, and treatment includes use of glacial acetic acid. Then coming to viral diseases, first is lymphocystis caused by Lymphocystis species. It is a DNA iridovirus. Then infectious pancreatic necrosis virus. Then other disease include gas bubble disease. Main gases responsible behind gas bubble disease is nitrogen and oxygen. Then coming to vitamin deficiency, diseases caused are scoliosis, that is a curved spine disease, and anorexia, that leads to loss of appetite. Then cost, definition for cost is total amount of fund, or it is the total efforts, sacrifices and exertion is also the definition for the cost. Then fixed cost, not the function of output. Total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. TP is equal to Y into PY. Then NR is equal to TR minus TC. NR is equal to TR minus TVC. TVC is total variable cost. Y is equal to QP minus C, in which Y is equal to producer's profit or net income. Q is equal to amount of production. C is equal to cost of production, and P is equal to price. Then important point is seed accounts for high percentage of total variable cost. Okay, so that's all for this principles of aquaculture, important points and notes from e-course. And now all the 3 parts have been uploaded. So principles of aquaculture notes from e-course is over. Now we will begin with another chapter. So thanks for your patience. Stay tuned. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.